Alright, I'm going to replace my radiator fan and my AC cooling fan here in my Honda Civic, 2013 Honda Civic, I think it's an EX 4-door. But anyways, first I need to remove all these push pins right here. Alright, all the push pins are out now. A couple fell into the void down in there, but that'll be alright. I've got zip ties. Now, I need to get these out right here. 1, 2, I believe they're 5.5 millimeters. Yeah, I just got to unscrew those two. Alright, I know it's probably hard to see, but I got the hex nuts out. Now I need to remove... Oh wait, no I don't. Never mind. So this is tucked under, so it should be able to just kind of pry that out a little bit. Just get it out from underneath. And it'll lift, but I'll show that when I have two hands. Alright, so that's now out. Now I'm going to be removing... God damn it. What? Dude, this is a new fucking battery. What are you talking about? Bro. Okay. Well, now I've got to take that off. And that off. And then... take out this battery wire holder right here. Oh, this is really disappointing. Yeah. Okay, so we got one out right there. There's also going to be another, yep, tucked in right there. And there's another on the other side where the battery is. Let's see if I can get it. Where'd it go? Oh, yeah. Yep, that right there. Right in the middle. Got to take those out as well as on the other side. Then I can take that bar and place it somewhere different. I got those screws taken out. As you can see, it's already kind of started to lift, so I'm just going to take this and push it that way, which is somewhere else. Alright, now I need to take off these two 10mm bolts. Well, I guess 4, because I'm going to see if I can get the radiator fan out without having to drain the radiator of coolant, move that coolant reservoir, etc., etc. I'm going to see if I can try and do that. Maybe if I can just slide it over, but for the AC fan, just these two 10mm bolts. Alright, took those bolts out. As you can see, it just kind of flopped over. Normally you want to take this out, snap this out, and then snap out the electrical connection, but doing all the testing, I already had done that, so didn't need to do that. Now I can just pull this out, set this somewhere to the side. I don't know where. Right here would be good, I guess. Now I'm gonna see if I can remove the radiator fan without doing all that extra shit. So yeah, it can come out. You just got to remove, if I can get it right, that bolt right there. Just got to take that out. It's connecting the coolant reservoir to the fans. So I'm going to try and capture it, but there is a damn zip tie right there. That's attached to the damn radiator fan, so I got to take that out. I had to remove the coolant reservoir to get to it. Well, that didn't work, so I had to drain it. Alright, so it's a little hard to see, but pan's underneath. I had to drain it, so after I did that, I removed the hose attached to the damn coolant reservoir. It's sitting like right over there. Yeah, to attached it from right there, and then I took this metal piece that was like down right there, then I moved it over, and I'll take off this, I don't know what pipe it is, the outlet, inlet, yeah, whatever, whichever one. Take that off, and then I can slide the radiator fan out. So got it off. Be wary, it did take quite a bit of tugging, so you know, don't have this shaking around kind of like I did. But yeah, now that's off. It had to like, it couldn't come straight out. I didn't want to like fuck with this too much, so I had to like more bring it over and then out. Yeah, old one is sitting right here, and then in those boxes are the new ones, the AC and the radiator fan. Yep. Alright, time to put the new one in. Alright, it's in, and I've gotten them tightened down. Just a reminder, there is that little clip-on. I don't think I'm going to be able to get it from here. It's really hard to, I can't really show you guys, but it's a little clip off from earlier. Just remember to put that back at the bottom. Bolts are snugged up. Don't forget to clamp this back on, as well as put the coolant reservoir back on this little spigot. Now on to the next one. Alright, so now I got the AC fan all buttoned up, so now I can put that railing back in. Alright, that bar's back on, and I went ahead and put on the bolts and tightened the ball up. There, one there. Here, hold up. I'll show you. There. 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 Quick reminder, don't forget to put the battery cable clip, and there's, oh, and the down, whatever this is, this little hatch thing back in as well. And then after that, I'll clip the fans back in, and then put this cover on. Alright, so now I've got the plastic cover back on. Note to self, there's like metal tabs in between this plastic right here, so the metal tabs go in between. It's really hard to show you with one hand, so I'm not going to be able to, but the metal tabs go in between. Alright, got some of the push pins back in, and where'd it go? Don't forget about these right here. Alright, so poured the, I recycled the radiator fluid back into it, refilled the coolant tank, or cooler reservoir, excuse me. And all I have left to do is just give these bolts right here just a quick little tighten, and then I'll start the car and see what's up. So, GTFN, ta-ta for now. Alright, so it's the next day. They are working. As you can see, that's the AC fan turning right there. And that's the radiator fan turning right there. If you ever need to know if your fans are working, just turn on the AC in your car. Like I've got. So yeah, it's fixed. Got it done. Very nice.